Welcome to our new tutorial. Today we will show you how to view YouTube payments in YT Studio latest update. Please drop a like and subscribe to our channel, it really means to us. With that being done, we can start with the tutorial. First thing that we will do is open YT Studio. Earlier, you could see this only in AdSense account, but now it can be viewed here too. To view it, go to this Earn section in bottom right corner. Now here you will see the upcoming payment, but keep in mind that you need to have at least $100 earned in order to withdraw it. And if you want to view your payment history, click on this Payment Activity button. That would be all that we have for you for today's short tutorial. Until next one, we wish you many new views and YouTube achievements. Bye.